Hi guys, this is a funny prank that I'm doing. So my in-laws and my brother-in-laws, they don't follow me on Facebook. I make sure I block everyone, just like my other family members. I block them so that they don't follow me on Facebook. I'm back from work. As you can see, I'm chilled and relaxed. I'm tired, so I'm just trying to do things. When I'm tired and stressed, I've got an exam on Friday. I haven't been studying because of pressure and vanhu vari kundinetsa. So now I'm just trying to do this prank. It makes me happy, but I want to prank my brother-in-law, bamdiki vangu. So here's my other phone. Ndoda kuvafonera handiti and act like a fool. The brother is not around. He's out of the country. So I want to I want to prank my bamdiki, okay? So he's far away. We stay a bit far away from each other. So he really get concerns. He is around. He also works outside the country, but now he's in South Africa. He's around. And I just want to prank him just because I want to relax and have fun, okay? I once spoke to him during the day for something else. We're just talking about other stuff. So he's not suspecting this, and I believe he's not on Facebook. He doesn't follow me. So help me prank my brother-in-law because I'm trying to relax today. I don't want to talk about anything else except the things that make me happy because I want to relax and then I want to have my supper. I'm not cooking today. My niece is making supper and then shower, chat to my man. I just want to do things that makes me relax so that I can study later on. So now I'm going to call my brother-in-law and act like a fool that I'm stuck somewhere, okay? So just listen. I'm going to call him now. He's not suspecting this call. I hope he's going to answer my phone call because he's not suspecting this phone call. So I'm calling him. That's my bamdiki. His number is busy. I can't get through. I'm going to keep trying, but he can see that he might call me back. Oh yeah, this is my other contract line. He doesn't know this number, but I'll keep trying him. I want to prank him today, but he's not going to know because he's not on Facebook and he doesn't follow me. Hi guys, my square say, oh, number actually line busy. It's continuously busy. I won't stop until I get out of him. I want to prank him. I want to see how his reaction is going to be. He's very much concerned about my guru. He's that loving, that loving bamdiki, that caring bamdiki. He will be so worried if anything happens to me. So the prank is about, let's try so that you can hear. His number is continuously busy. I'm not so sure if you can hear. Yeah. Yes. I'm going to increase. I'm going to keep on trying to call him because I really, really want to prank him today. The number is continuously busy, guys. Okay. I'm going to try. Let me wait. I'll give him some time. So guys, this is what I do. I'm that kind of a woman that that enjoys having funny on herself. I entertain myself, especially like today. Today was very stressful, and like my second job, I normally concentrate with my second job over the weekends, but because I've been talking about Nyaradzo a lot on my live videos, I'm getting a lot of inquiries, which is good because I'm doing sales, which is good for me. But the problem is it's now draining me midweek because I've got another full-time job, and then I've got the Nyaradzo, and then I'm also a student, and I've got board exams, like regulatory exams. So let me try my bamdik again. I'm gonna put it on loudspeaker. What's wrong with this guy? Okay, I'm not so sure why his number is continuously busy, but I want to prank him. His number must go through. I really, really want to prank him. I'll keep on trying. I wonder whom is he talking to. He might not pick. Guys, I'm not giving up. I need to prank my bambi. Guys, stop today. Please stop asking me about work. Stop asking me about what I do. Stop asking me about anything else. I just want to chill, relax. If you've got anything nice stories that is not stressful, that is not about Zimbabweans, our problems, Namodzedu, that's all I want to hear today. I just want to relax because I want to study. I've got an exam on Friday. So I need to relax myself. And the only way I relax is to laugh and to talk other stories that distract my mind, distract me from my workload, distract me from everything. That's what I do. What's wrong with this guy's number? Okay, maybe I should try him on WhatsApp. Okay, let me try him on WhatsApp. Let me try to call him with a WhatsApp call because I was using a voice call. Let me try to call him with, but I'm not so sure if he does have this number. Let's see. Let me search him. Let's see if he's got this line because this is one of my private lines. Yes, I have him on this number. Okay, I'm going to try to call him on WhatsApp call. I'm just trying to bother him. Let's see. I want to prank him. Yeah, it's ringing. Shh. Don't disturb me, Jenny. So it's ringing. Close my door, please. It's ringing. Answer the call, dude. Okay, at least he can see that I'm trying to call him. Waka block wamakozo kuona ichingo iti busy. No, he can't block me. Okay, maybe on this, but he can't block me. There is no way he can block me. It's continuously busy. Maybe he's busy with someone. He can't block me. Call declined, guys. Oh my word. Is my bandit on Facebook, guys? Does he follow me? Does he really follow me? Oh my God, like really? How come? He has to answer my call. Does he follow me, guys? I'd never seen him on Facebook. Okay, guys, I made sure I blocked all my in-laws, okay? Why? Because for things like this, like when I want to prank them, if I do a live, because I want everyone to also see and laugh, help me laugh, then they will know. There is no way he can know this. Guys, so are you seriously telling me that he blocked me on this line? Now, how am I going to call him now? Because this is the only number I have. What can I do now? Guys, give me tips. I need to call him. I can't use the other phone that I'm using now. I need to call him. Let me send him a message. He needs to answer. Waka block and ndukutokudza maiko kumsadaro. How can a number be continued? Like really, guys, waka block and ndukutokudza, maybe following you as a ghost. Maybe you are right. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, but I do have another Vodacom line in this line, but I'm not so sure if it's not a contract line, if it has got airtime. Let me do this. Let me try to call him with another Vodacom line. He can't block all my numbers because he doesn't know these numbers. Let me try to call him and then I'll change SIM card. Yeah, let me switch. I'm trying to calling him with my Vodacom number. You are right, he blocked the other number. It's going through. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, Bamdik. Apana pa maskera say? Pane ime line rangu randa nchikufonera iri kuramba kuita through i-contract line rangu MTN 083 yange ichingoringa. Listen ka main line rangu harisi kuita foni yangu yaita battery low, ndiri pa service station ka saka ndeita stuck manje handizoti ndoita sei. I can't get hold of my husband now, saka ndati ndikufonere ndikubvunzei andisa ndakamboisise pressure on Cougar, saka ndiri pa service station now. Ndaenda pa airport pane friend yangu yandaida kutora, saka mota yangu yaita mavhiri 2 anenge ari low here ndaenge chingofamba. I don't know the funny sound yange ichiita, saka ndasvika pa service station vati zvoni inoda kuiswa A but vari kutaura zvepremium A, saka Ford Ranger taida andichazoti I don't remember ndakamboisa A repa Ford Ranger. And then pa Fiesta after I'm not so sure, but this one now vari kuti hanzi SUV inoda premium A. Hanzi aiwa bamdika hanzi ndofana kuisa premium A because he SUV, saka ndati ina handinyatsonzwisise zvemota izvi because I'm a woman, saka vari kuti hanzi mota idzi nyowani dzakadesignwa idzi dzinoda premium A. Vati vanayo but hanzi vhiri 1500 rands premium A.
They're lying.
500 rands bamdiki vhiri 1 apa vari kuti hanzi ese ari 4 aita flat but mota yakatobva kuservice mai manje and maybe bamdiki
hakuna chinonzi premium you put hydrogen or that is for fast cars, the Ferraris, you put something else. The rest is pressure.
Saka iyo pressure yacho ndiyo vari kuti hanzi premium A. I must pay 5.
There's no such, you can Google one.
Andina manje ifoni inongofona chete bamdiki data andina ndabva kumba handisipa wifi.
It's just pressure. For the ranger, you know, driver Bima ya 2021 is just
saka vari kuti hanzi saka ndo yakangofanana nepa Ford Ranger kana kuti because hanzi SUV
unototarisa mukatasa padho mukatasa mukavhura dho pane chistika chiripo chakatonyorwa pressure vatondiratidze ipapo but hanzi panoiswa premium A pakanyorwa here kuti premium A papa vanotombonyorwa pane pakakonyorwa A nemabhazi acho 200 bar 180 bar kana ine mapassenger kana ifamba ine 1 person most of the time you put 30 bars finish and class
saka
there's no such ibva ipapo vatukei mobva ipapo maenda pane rimwe garage
manje ndikavatuka vanondibatsira sei bamdiki bhozi vari kuti mota yangu yatori flat hanzi handitombosvike bhozi ndiri pana N2 paipai saka ndikada kudhiraivha kuenda kudine
N2 kupimira ipapo ndeparipa
muchangobva kuairport that is the engine garage yekubva kuairport yemuna N2 wauda kusvika pasitari paipai bamdiki Okay guys, so I was trying to act foolish and asking him that my pressure my car is flat and irikunzi irikudiwa premium A ivo manje vari kuita naranzi siyeme vatuka mubve ipapo hakuna chinhu chinonzi premium A. Let me try to call him. Wauda kutouya paservice station. Oh my god. Okay, he's calling back. Let me answer. Bamdiki aiwa bamdiki, you don't need to drive karega ningobhadhara premium A yacho vandisire ndiende kumba. Saka ndoita sei? Ndokumirira here kana kuti ndoisisa premium A? Saka manje bamnini munozosvika after how long? Boss vari kuti hanzi ndikanonoka kuisa premium A ari kubva aita flat matires acho. Ini zvato
kutyikizirwa kani
bamdiki. Saka muri kuti vese boss ndatoti ndi manager wacho watobuda kubva mukati vatozonditsanangira kuti mota yenyu SUV inoshandisa premium A and premium A inoita 500 rands pe tyre. Saka mavhiri enyu ese 2 ekumashure hanzi flat ayo mamwe ekumbera hanzi ari kutobuda because it's premium A inokurumbidza kubuda.
Uku ndo kunonzi kuvharwa manje mozi ya pressure ifree. Torai mapicture Tony.
But manje handina data kandosaka ndiri kufona bozi handabva pawifi ifoni inoshandisa data.
Okay.
Saka mati
rimu rakaguma pasi here.
Mamwe acho 2 ekumashure ari low saka vari kuti ndikangofamba chete ari kubva atoita flat. Amino ina ndichazvinzwisisei nebamdiki. Ndakungobhadhara hangu premium A yacho ini 500 rands. Saka hanzi ari 4 inenge ya 2000 rands. Manager vacho rega ndiona kuti varipo here vari padhuze bamdiki because indatotadzawo zvinzwisiseni. Vangachitondinongedzera mumwe murume ane Ford Ranger pasaidi zvikanzi muri kuonaya neFord Ranger. Ndikati ndinayo Ford Ranger iyoyo zvikanzi munoiswa premium A futi imomo. Ndikati hakungoti semunhu wemukadzi handizivi hangu kuti zvinofamba sei zvepremium A bamdiki. Saka ko normal A yacho inonzi normal A yacho inoiswa mataya inoita mariko bamdiki. Boss vari kuti normal A yave 200 rands.
Unongosvikawo
Saka normal A futhi ayibhadharwe.
Ayibhadharwe.
Hey. Zvakaoma bamdiki. Alright guys, saka matindoita semakuuya here. Munotora mabhosi kwamuri kupi ezvinezvi kureka kubamdiki.
Ndiri pamba ndosvika kuairport padhuze apo.
Aiwa ndiri after airport kudhuze nekusitari kwekuya bamdiki along N2. Saka inge ichingoitanzwa funny sound ino ndatofunga kuti akochi. Saka pandasvika paservice station ndopati mavhiri enyu ambuya atori flat. Munovaziva ko mune paservice station kama Zimbabwense. Saka zvikanzi anoda premium A, mota yenyu SUV inoda premium A, and then inonzi chimwe normal A yacho hamunositara vari kutaura 200 rands per tire, and then premium A 500. Google bamdiki please mundifonere musati mauya pamwe ndizvozvo SUV yacho pamwe inoshandisa premium A. Please call me back boss, airtime yangu yapera. Thanks bamdiki. Oh, guys, I'm gonna be in trouble next time. Bamdiki wangu wacharamba kundibatsira. Oh my god. So this joke ndakaiona pa Facebook. This lady akaita ari somewhere meno kunana Europe achifonera murume wake. Saka ini ndakaseka, and then my husband was around. Ndobva ndibvunza kuti uri kuseka ndobva ndamudza about the joke. So I initially wanted to prank my husband, but the nearest person to my husband is Bamdiki. My husband antoziva joke iri. Zvoni my husband akauyaga, he's gonna be cracking laughing. Oh my god guys, premium A. Bamdiki wangu arwadzi wanzi siye matuka vanhu kulezi bvaipapo. Yes, shame. I'm so concerned, guys. Look, I'm feeling bad now. I'm already. My body is getting. Very worried. Shame. Guys, they are so worried about me. I'm stuck in a service station in Rudakwisirwa Premium A. I really wanted to see reaction here, but you see, guys, and the same mama took me, and I love that part. I love my Bamdiki. Regaiva mbo Google guys about SUV no shandisa premium A. You can use the prank guys, mombo prank over room, especially ladies. You just act stupid and prank your husband. Mombo noti zvinofamba sei, mombo seka, mombo nzwa like mukadzi yemurume wakakaita kudedera neasha. Zvikanzi, are you stupid? Since when did you hear of premium A? I think Bamdiki wangu kwavarika deep down his heart he's busy cracking kuti maiguru vakaita sei, how stupid is maiguru. Havazivi kuti A is A. Mota yakazoiswa premium A rini ye 500 rands per tire. Oh, guys, this is all I wanted to do, just to see concern and reaction ya Bamdiki wangu. Let's hear kuti vakagoogle zvichafamba sei, kuti Google iri kuti chii about premium A. Regani bo Google kuti kune chinonzi premium A here naivedwe pamwe iriko premium A apa ndichinyepa ndichita maprenge pa Facebook premium A. Guys, Bamdiki wangu vakazozviziva guys vachanditsamira, vachandishauda kuti ndikuvaitisa. Guys, premium A. Hakuna chinonzi premium A guys. Mukadzi anonzi Ruth akandisekesa. Conditioning. Hakuna chinonzi premium A. Hey. Arega ndinzwe Bamdiki wangu kuti vanoti chii vedwe nezve premium A nditori staki izvozvo zvamunondoona kudai. Guys, wakambopreka munhu ari so loving and caring here guys, ndo zvandiri kuita. My body is going serious. I'm feeling my goosebumps all over. Vedwe Bamdiki wangu atori busy kuresearcha. Vakufona back. Rikatinzwe kuti premium A inonzi pa Google. Bamdiki? Hanzi?
Premium A iripo, but that's the one I was explaining to you in nitrogen.
Oh, saka itoriko premium A.
That one. You need the regular A. You need the normal basic pressure.
Oh, normal. Are you sure, Bamdiki? For you know the car I'm talking about. Are you sure kuti ndoye pa SUV chayo? Ndemara ibhadharwe. Inga zvakaoma neBamdiki, saka vanhu vada kunditsotsa kava. hanzi kune premium neregular and then the other one yavataura ndozoti zita racho inonzi chii but dzese dziri 3 types dze inoiswa mavhiri iri kubhadhariswa iri kutengeswa here ndiva ndotanga ndoswaipa zvandinoisa kana ndichisirwa fuel ndaino sensation yevarungu ka oh saka ndoti vandisire ipi cheapest
regaendende pa engine garage pane engine garage iri padhuze nepangwa just cross the track ndonokabvunza because they say engine museke menge musiri musituation
Babiki, sorry, I'm just pranking you. I'm actually on a live. I'm doing a live on Facebook. I saw this prank on Facebook and it was supposed to be made for your brother. And then I realized, don't phone it, Arkup is busy. Regandiende to the nearest husband and it's you, unfortunately. Ndafana kuseka babiki vanhu vangu vachito mamnini saka shuwa mati ndingatenge premium It was a prank, mamniki and Mamdik, I just had a stressful day and then I just realized what can I do to make myself laugh. Then I decided to prank you. Sorry, Mamdik, but thank you for making my prank nice and my life. You have made about 200 people happy today. They are busy laughing. Everyone is saying, Hans, your Mamdik is very sweet. Hans, na uyu dai mavarega vaenda ku garage. Kuno investigate. Mamdik, thank you so much. You really made my day today. Mandiseke sa Mamdik. Mandinakidza Mamdik pakuzoti sendei picture tonotanyanyoita sei mavhiri acho but Mamdik, how can I be so foolish, Mamdik? Thank you so much, my love. You really made me happy. I was so stressed today, but you really made me happy. I just wanted to laugh, and I saw this prank on Facebook. And this lady akapranka murume wake about premium A. So B akabva ndiona ndichiseka zvikanzi uri kuseka indoma ndamudza the joke. Then I realized kuti oh my god, munhu wandiroda kupranka ndatomudza because I was waiting for an opportunity yokuita sei yokuti ndobuda ndega kuenda ku save station ndomufonera ndomita prank ye premium A. So you are the next husband target for me. I'm sorry, mafira yamkoma wenyu wasipo. Ruthi yeye Mamdik akatopopoterwa sei nemurume wake. She's a Ghanaian akarorwa nemurungu. They live somewhere kunana Netherlands. So akafonera murume wake acting all worried and stupid kuti ndikubhadhariswa premium A panapa iri kunzi 100 euro here. Murume akapenga kati Ruth, are you stupid? Are you dumb? At least you were so sweet to me, Mamdik. I'm now nditira hasha mangwa mungori concerned kuti agulezi bva ipapo. Sema vatuka vana vamiende pane imwe service station. But Mamdik, things like that can happen to a woman. Kana sikazoti mota inofamba sei. Serious, nobhadhariswa mari yekuisirwa Mweya pa service station kana usingaziva katoona kuti mai hutsa unotoibhadhariswa. But anyway, thank you so much, my love. I'm not going to disturb your day again. You made me laugh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making this prank work. I'll wait for that, but today you really made me. And when B comes back, akapedza basa pachaona live, achakuseka ibambiki zvisingaite. It's live. You're actually live on my Facebook. I will share with you. Ndakakublock ipa Facebook and nditi muone msikanzi wangu ipa Facebook. So you can't see this, but I'll share with you the video. Nchakudownloadera ndokutumira how it started. Kusvika ndazokufonera. Thanks, Mam Diki. Love you. Bye. Anyway, guys. This is all I wanted. This is what I really needed. You know, sometimes in life you just need something like this, you know, like just to laugh. You know, you don't need people to entertain you, but just entertain yourself and then laugh. And you can see my eyes, I'm crying. I was so happy. You prank someone, you know, good pranks, not bad pranks. Thank you so much, guys. My Bambik is so... my in-laws are so loving. They are so sweet. I'm blessed with loving and caring in-laws. And na patrini munoti ndi mureserewa bamnini. Bamnini. Unfortunately, I told you guys, all my in-laws are blocked on my social media, except WhatsApp. They are available on WhatsApp. Sarah, you are such a lovely person. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, you just need things like that in life. 1, 2, 3. Tombo ita serious, tombo relax, or tombo seka. Honestly, guys, I had a very hectic day and I'm going through a lot of stressful stuff. I've got a lot of work to do. I've got a lot of books to study, a lot of things. But anyway, I would like to say thank you to the person Akatanga Premium A prank. Thank you very much. So when I relax, I do pranks. Some of the pranks I just record for my family members. I don't share them on live, but this one I just wanted to share it on live. Thank you guys. Kanamana kirwane prank yangu na bamdiki wangu. Thank you so much. That's all for today. We just wanted to do a prank and laugh na bamdiki. Diana udaku edwa pa live video. I see live video guys today it's about me laughing ejo bamnini munagulezi wenyu vanofara zvekuti kana naivo bamdiki vanagulezi vavo vanofara zvisingaite, but guys bamdiki vangu ndovaziva zvandavaita izvi guys. I'm in trouble. He is going to prank me, trust me, left, right and center. He's going to prank me. I'm gonna be in trouble na bamdiki vangu. Eviriam Zokomba Ndaskera Maskera say hi guys. Thank you so much. We're having a prank na Bamdiki. That's all that was happening today. Thank you Patrini Munoti. Tanakidzwa guys. We were pranking Bamdiki ndozva tantichita anditi. So ladies, kana hama dzenyu, hama dzevarume venyu dziripo kana dzisipo panapa, prank them. If your husband doesn't follow me, prank him guys. Vanhu ngavaprank. Nai toda kuona ma video, tag me when you do your prank. Toda kuona ma video ekupranka vanhu ne Premium A. Anditi timbonoti varume vanotionoti tiri stupid here. Aiwa tinoziva mwedu, but I really wanted to prank my Bambiki. Thank you so much guys. I love you. Thank you so much. So bye guys. I love you. I love you so much. Today it was just about making me happy and laughing. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.